Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss with practical how to create table. There are so many different way in create to create a table. Today how to create table in MS Word for class 6 in chapter number 2. This is the my topic how to create table for class 6. My dear student, there are so many way to create the table. The first, you go to insert tab. First, go to insert tab. This is the first option. These all our point I discuss with totally related to practical. So first you go to insert tab. Second you go to insert table. Go to insert table. This is the two important point everybody note it. The third number point to press keyboard plus and minus sign. To press keyboard plus and minus sign. The third option, the very interesting. Suppose let the figure. Suppose this is the keyboard. This is the monitor. First of all, I press to the plus sign. Then press to the minus sign. Then again press to the plus sign. Then again press to the minus sign. Then again press to plus sign. Then again press to the minus sign. And then press to the enter. Then press to the enter. The automatically the table format arrange. My dear student, what is the use of the plus sign and what is the use of the minus sign? Plus sign, then use to the plus sign to break the column. To use to the plus sign to break to the column. Plus sign break to column. But use to the minus sign. Use to the minus sign to make the column. Minus sign make the column. My dear student, then again press to the enter. First of all I discuss in totally theoretical part, then the second part totally with the practical. To make the row, suppose you press to the enter, then the one column is attached to you, and suppose then attached to the row you press to the tab key. And you go to the tab, the last table corner you press to the tab, then automatically attached to the one row. They automatically attached to the one row. This is the totally related with the practical. Let's see, start the practical session. My dear student, this is the monitor, and first of all open to Microsoft Word. This is the Microsoft Word 2007. Then open to the Microsoft Word. Today my topic how to create table. You first of all the home, second option insert, then go to the insert option. And this is the table option. You drag to the, there are so many such type of table format. 1, 2, 3. Which type of table format design you choose, the any such type of the design. Suppose you automatically And the second option, the insert table. The you press to the again I start. You press to the insert table. The one dialog box in appear in front of you. The there is the number of column. Suppose number of column 5, and the number of row is also 5. Then press OK. The automatically is the design to the table. So this option is always time used. Again you go to the insert tab and the table option. Then again to the table. The first fixed column width. Second auto fit to content. The second option is the press option. Then the auto fit to content. There's suppose my name is the Daya Shankar. So this is this column is indicated to how many such type of sentence in added. Suppose this is the again. Suppose Ram. So which type of length in use in this table? They automatically then press to the auto fit. Then again go to the insert table. Then again to the insert table. The last option auto fit to window. Then press to the auto fit to window. Then OK. This is the all 3 points are discussed in the table option. Again go to the insert table. The table group. The third, draw to the table. This is the draw to the table. So many draw to the table. How many row and the how many columns you automatically designed. So how many? Suppose you go to the insert table and draw table. You draw to the table. First 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is the draw to the table. This option is provide to how many row and the how many column attach your choice. This is the second option. This all option in use and to the draw to the table. My third option is due to the plus and minus. Suppose then press to the enter. This is the keyboard. And I press to the this is the keyboard, and I press to the plus sign, and then press to the minus sign, and again press to plus sign, again press to minus sign, again press to plus sign, again press to minus sign, again press to plus sign, again press to minus sign, plus, then enter. The automatically draw to the table, then use to the plus and minus sign. Suppose this is the one column. The last end of this table, your cursor is read in last part of the table option, and then press to the tab option. This is the shift button. This is the caps lock. This is the tab. Then press to the tab. Then automatically design to the one column and the one row is the automatically add. Then again press to the again the cursor point is the cursor in point of the table. Then press to the tab. This is the use of the plus and minus sign. This table option is designed to no any such type of use to the shortcut, but either use to the shortcut some important shortcut in table. Some important, suppose to merge cell, this is the, suppose, then first of all you select to the cell, you select to the cell. This is the all over column in the select, all over column to the select. First point to merge cell, to merge cell, first of all you all column to the select, and then press alt, then press alt am, then press alt am, press alt am, then press alt am. My dear student, this to merge the cell, first option to merge the cell. Merge cell, your shortcut alt plus a plus m. You use in the practical session. Merge to the cell alt plus a plus n m. Otherwise, the second option, you select this column and the all column is the merge. You right click in the mouse button and then go to the merge cell. This is the automatically merge. The second to a split in cell. A split in cell means one or more column a split. Suppose one or more. Suppose I again draw to the table. 1 2 sorry. The second option, a split in cell. The shortcut use, the every student you remember this shortcut alt plus a plus p. How to a split in cell? You click to the mouse right button, or you use the shortcut option alt a plus p. I choose to the first option, then mouse click right button and then to the go to the split cell. Number of columns, suppose number of columns, suppose 6, and the number of you split number of row and the number of column in both, only number of column, number of row, your choice. Then suppose I first of all show to the number of cell 6, number of column 1, then press to the OK, then a split to the all over to the column. Suppose the second, your choose which column is the split. So I choose the first, I choose 1 2 3 4 column a split, then cursor, the first of all the cursor is then first of all cursor is in this column, and then press mouse right button and then press a split cell. Number of column, how many column? Suppose column 5, and the number of row again 5, then press to the OK. So this is the how to create to the table in MS. There are so many such type of option. Thank you, student. There are any such type of problem, please ask 2 question. Thank you.